Hello, welcome to Geek Solution, SDN BHD. Our company specializes in manufacturing protective equipment, such as safety helmets, gloves, and safety vests for construction and industrial workers. As our company expanded across Southeast Asia, managing our business processes became more complex.
That sounds like a growing company. I'm interested to learn how your operations work.
Today, I will show you how our company uses an ERP system to manage our sales, materials, and production processes more efficiently.
Before implementing ERP, how did your company manage customer orders and production activities?
Before that, our departments used manual systems such as spreadsheets and email communication. Sales representatives recorded orders in spreadsheets, while inventory information was managed separately by the warehouse team.
Did that cause any problems?
Yes, it caused several issues. Sometimes sales staff accepted orders without knowing the actual stock level. Then, we often faced delayed deliveries because the products were not available in the warehouse.
I see. That must have affected customer satisfaction.
Exactly. That's why our company decided to implement an ERP system to integrate all departments into a single system.
So what exactly is an ERP system?
ERP is an integrated system that connects different departments such as sales, purchasing, inventory management, and production planning.
That means all departments share the same information.
Yes. The ERP system allows departments to share real-time data. In our company, we mainly use three modules: sales and distribution, materials management, and production planning.
Sound good. Can you show me how these modules work in a real situation?
Of course. Let's go through a real example of a customer order. Okay, now I will show you an example of how to process sales order in the ERP system. Let's say a construction company from Johor places an order for 2,000 safety helmets. The sales representative creates a sales order in the ERP system.
What information is included in the sales order?
The sales order includes details such as the customer information, product type, order quantity, delivery address, and requested delivery date.
So everything about the order is stored in the ERP system.
Yes, and the system immediately checks whether we have enough inventory to fulfill the order.
What happens when the system checks the inventory?
ERP system checks the warehouse database and finds that we only have 500 helmets available in stock.
But the customer ordered 2,000 helmets, right?
Exactly. That means we still need to produce 1,500 additional helmets.
So the system automatically detects the shortage.
Yes. ERP system will send this production requirement to the production planning module.
Now that production is required, how does the company know what materials are needed?
The ERP system uses a document called the Bill of Materials, or BOM. This document lists all the materials needed to manufacture a product.
What materials are required for a safety helmet?
A safety helmet requires several components such as ABS plastic, foam padding, and safety straps.
So the system calculates the materials required.
Yes. The system performs material requirements planning, which calculates the amount of raw materials needed to produce the remaining helmets.
How did the system find after calculating the materials?
The system calculated that we need 800 kilograms of ABS plastic to produce the helmets.
Do you already have that amount in the warehouse?
No, the warehouse only has 300 kilograms available. Because of this shortage, the ERP system automatically generates a purchase requisition.
What happens after the purchase requisition is created?
The purchasing department converts it into a purchase order and sends it to our supplier.
Then, when the supplier delivers the materials,
the warehouse staff records a goods receipt in the ERP system. This updates the inventory and confirms that the materials are available for production.
once the materials are available, how does the company start production?
ERP system uses the production planning module to create a production order.
What information does the production order contain?
It includes the production quantity, required materials, machines used, and workers assigned to the task.
Does the system also schedule the production time?
Yes. The ERP system performs master production scheduling to determine when production should begin and how resources should be allocated.
What happens on the factory floor during production?
Workers begin manufacturing the helmets according to the production order. They use machines and materials allocated by the ERP system.
How does management monitor the production progress?
Workers will update the production progress using digital devices. And managers can monitor the production status in real time through the ERP system.
Oh, that must help reduce delays.
Yes, it improves efficiency and ensures that production targets are achieved.
What happens after production is completed?
The finished helmets are transferred to the warehouse as finished goods inventory.
And then they are delivered to the customer.
Yes. The logistics department arranges delivery to the customer in Johor. After the products are shipped, the ERP system automatically generates an invoice. Once the payment is completed, the order is marked as finished in the system.